These pear preserves are worth every second it took to make them. Let me show you how I did it. Last weekend, my husband and I, we picked all the pears, well, not all, but a lot of pears off of our trees. And this weekend, we had to can them. While Dylan was peeling them, I was slicing them up into chunks. When my little stock pot got full, I had to transfer them into my Jethro pot. And you do a cup of sugar for every quart of pears that you have, and drizzle a little bit of lemon juice on top of them. I did this until we got all of the pears peeled and sliced up. And I think I had 13 quarts, so I used 13 cups of sugar. I did not say that this was healthy. I said that it was good. So I put the lid on it, and then I put it in the fridge overnight, and this is what it looked like the next day. Look at all that juice. I did a few tablespoons of cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg. You can use as much or as little as you like. I love cinnamon, so I used a lot. And then I turned it down on low and just stirred it occasionally for several hours. Eventually, I turned it up to medium-high and just continually stirred it until it thickened up a little and turned this brown amber color. I got all my jars washed and sanitized, and then I went ahead and added a tablespoon of lemon juice to the bottom of each jar. And then I packed those hot pears into those hot jars. That way, once I put them in the water bath, the jars didn't break. Once my jars were filled up, I took a paper towel with a little bit of vinegar and wiped the rims on all my jars. Put my lids and my rings on, threw them in the water bather for 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes was up, I pulled them out of the water bath canner. I set them on a dish towel, waited to hear that ping, that way I knew that they sealed. And there you have it, honey, pear preserves. A little time consuming, but super easy and very delicious.